Hi everyone, today I'm doing this unedited video showing you how to moisturize your dry hair using the LCO method. This is my hair. It is very dry. So the first thing that I do is I take some water or aloe vera juice mixed with water and I'm just putting it on my hair. And as you can see, the water is laying on top of my hair. It's not penetrating at all. The reason why that is happening is because, of course, I am low porosity and moisture has a hard time penetrating into my hair, so I have to squeeze the water in. So next, I want to separate a small section of hair. Whenever you moisturize your hair, always start off working with small section of hair. If your hair is tangled along the way, which it surely will be if it's very dry, do take the time to thoroughly detangle it. If you find that your scalp is dry, you want to get some water and first put it to your scalp, massage it in to let your natural oils flow through your scalp and help it hydrate it. If that doesn't help, take some oil and apply that oil directly on your scalp. Make sure you are using the pads of your finger, not your nails, when you are massaging your scalp. Once you're done massaging your scalp, you can take a little bit of the water, of the oil, not the water, and put it on your edges because they usually need some help in the moisturizing process also. Lastly, you can take a comb and detangle your hair if you have to, or just use your fingers to detangle your hair. The next step is to apply an oil. The next step is to apply a cream to your hair. So the next step is to apply a cream to your hair. Take a little bit of the cream, not too much, because you don't want to have product buildup. You can apply the cream directly to your hair or apply it onto your palm of your hands so that you can spread it easily through the length of your hair. Concentrate at the ends of your hair because those need extra moisturizing. Remember, the ends of your hair are where you break off hair easily, and as you do that and you detangle your hair, you might find that some shedded hair is going to appear towards the ends of your hair. You want to squeeze in the product into your hair, making sure it coats all the strands of hair. And as you continue doing this, you might find some hair coming at the ends of your hair. Don't be alarmed, that is just shedded hair. Take your time to make sure all the strands of your hair are well coated with the cream. Next step is to take your oil. Now your oil can be one single oil or it could be a mixture of oils. So you want to take the oil, apply it to your hair, squeeze it in once again, and then concentrate at the ends of your hair and put some oil in there. This action is known as sealing your ends. Now you could use a cream, you could use an oil, but this makes sure that your hair gets the oil and everything is sealed in. When hair is well moisturized, it is plump, the curls are defined and they're popping, and it is not dry and tangled up. The last thing you want to do is you want to twist up your hair or braid it up. By doing this, it helps minimize tangles, and if you do see any tangles along the way, just be gentle on removing it. So just twist up your hair. When you get towards the ends of your hair, add more moisturizer. I like adding just a little dollop of moisturizer to the ends of my hair and then twisting that up together. That really ensures that my ends are thoroughly moisturized. As you can see, that is hair that is moisturized, and you can repeat the steps onto the other sections of the hair. I hope this video has helped you out. If you like this full tutorial, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share these videos with the ones you love, and even if you don't love them, you can still share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.